Becoming a nurse abroad can feel overwhelming. But here is what you can do. Yes, the journey can be hard, but the rewards is life changing. You will grow, earn more, make an impact, and create a better future for yourself and your family. Welcome to Caringhearts, where we help first-year and internationally trained nurses navigate the complexities of the healthcare system. If you are a nurse trained outside the US, UK, Canada, listen closely because the global nursing shortage in 2025 could mean your opportunity is now. Over 1.9 million nurse vacancy projected in the US alone by 2033, according to the Bureau of Labor and Statistics. The US, UK, and Canada are facing critical shortages due to an aging workforce, increased demand for healthcare, and the long-term impact of COVID-19 pandemic. In the UK, the NH workforce report shows tens of thousands of vacancies, and Canada is pushing for immigration fast tracks to bring in skilled healthcare workers. For internationally educated nurses, this crisis creates a doorway of opportunity. Healthcare systems are increasingly welcoming skilled foreign trained nurses through licensure pathways, relocation programs, and recruitment drives. Yes. Whether you are already considering migration or actively preparing to relocate, this moment in history is one of the best times for internationally trained nurses to launch their global career. But let's be honest, it is not all smooth sailing. Many international nurses face legitimate concerns that must be acknowledged. Here are four common fears international nurses experience and what you can do to prepare. Number one fear is, will my credentials be recognized? Every country has different licensure requirements. Nurses often worry whether their education, clinical experiences, or qualifications will meet the local standards. But here is what you can do. Start early with credential evaluation. In the US, you will need the CJFNs or State Board guidance. In the UK, the National Midwifery Council registration with OSCE or CBT. In Canada, you can apply via the NNAS. Get clarity on what additional training may be needed. Number two, fear is cultural and clinical adaptation. New healthcare systems bring new expectations, from documentation style to patient communication. Many internationally nurses worry about fitting in or making errors. Those fears are real. They are truly real. I did experience such fears when I first relocated to the US. Here is what you can do. Look for orientation programs or cultural competency trainings. Many hospitals now offer transition support for overseas nurses. Don't be afraid to ask questions or seek mentorship. Number three fear is fear of discrimination or exclusion. This is a real concern. Sadly, some international nurses face bias based on assets, ethnicity, or training background. I still face this discrimination and exclusion even almost close to 2 decades abroad. Here is what you can do to break these fears. Know your rights. Yes. Speak up. Document issues and seek support. Join professional organizations or nursing networks. Your voice and experience matters. Okay? It does. The fourth fear is financial strain and uncertainty. From exam costs, visa fees to relocation expenses, becoming a nurse abroad can feel overwhelming. But here is what you can do. Research scholarship options, employer-sponsored relocation or government programs. Budget wisely and plan ahead. There are resources available. You are not alone. Yes, the journey can be hard, but the rewards is life-changing. You will grow, earn more, make an impact, and create a better future for yourself and your family. At Caringhearts, we are here to guide you every step of the way. So like, share, and subscribe to Caringhearts for weekly guidance on international nursing pathway, career tips, and success stories. Request for our free guide on becoming a licensed nurse in US, UK, and Canada in the link in the description box. Your journey is global. Let's take the next step together. And remember, a caring heart makes a difference. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.
I wish I knew.